Welcome everyone. Today we will explore social network analysis or SNA. This field helps us understanding relationship and how information flow within complex system. Think of it as a way to uncover the hidden structure behind interaction where among people, organization or even digital platform. Understanding the network. A network is basically a collection of interconnected entities, often called nodes, linked together by relationship known as edges. To really analyze these networks, we need to get comfortable with key terms like nodes, edge, and centrality. Once we define this, we can start revealing the patterns that are often invisible when we just look at the raw data. Next, we will be seeing about the nodes, edges, and weight. What is node? Node represents the entities. These could be by people, company, or even website. Edges are the relationship between them, such as friendship, collaborations, or raw data. Edges can be directed like following someone on Twitter or undirected like mutual friendship. Weights add another layer. They represent the strength of frequency of the connection, like how often two people email each other. And next we will see about the centrality. Centrality, one of the most important goal in SNA is finding out which node are the most influential. Centrality measures helps with this. Degree centrality. First one is degree centrality, tells us who has the most connection, and betweenness centrality highlights the bridges, those who connect of different groups, and closeness centrality shows who can quickly reach everyone else, and eigenvector centrality looks at who is connected to other important nodes. Together, this measure helps us identify leaders, influencers, and key players in a network. And fifth slide, we will be seeing about the community direction. Beyond individual importance, network also have communities, group of nodes that are more connected to each other than to outsiders. Algorithm likes Griven, Newman, Lovian, and InfoMap helps us detect these communities. This is crucial because communities often reveal functional groups like work team in organization or interest groups in social media. Next is visualization. Visualization is nothing but network can be complicated, so visualization is essential. Node link diagrams are the most common with circles for node and lines for edges. These helps us see structure at a glance. Matrix representation on other hand are better for dense network where connections are hard to see. Good visualization make network insight much easier to communicate. Okay, these are the most important visualization. Social network makes complex relationship understandable and reveal insight that might be hidden in raw data. By seeing this raw data, we can miss some of the data, so visualization techniques are most important in SNA. Next we will be seeing about applications of SNA. SNA has broad real-world application. In business, it improves collaboration and identifies influencer. In social media, it tracks trends and maps information flow. In epidemiology, it models how disease spread. Okay, how diseases spread. And in cybersecurity, it detects anomalies and attack patterns. Okay, and map the hacker network. These are the four feature where we are using like business and organization, social media analysis, epidemiology and public health, and cyber security. Okay, next we will be seeing about the tools for SNA. Tools for SNA, we have several tools at our disposal. First one is Giphy for interactive visualization. Giphy we will be using for interactive visualization. It is an open source visualization and exploration platform for all kind of networks and complex system. It is dynamic and hierarchical graph. Okay. Next is Networks X in Python for programming based analysis, and iGraph for efficient analysis across multiple language, and we will be using Cytoscape, often used in biological but also applicable to general network. Each tool offers different strength depending on the task. Okay. Next we will be seeing about the hands-on demonstration. In practice, however, here is how we approach SNA. Import data and build the network graph. calculate centrality, measure to find the key influencer. Okay, next you have to apply community detection to see hidden groups. Okay, and finally we have to visualize the result for insight. This process transform abstract data into a meaningful map for relationship. Finally we will be seeing about the conclusion and future direction. To conclude, social network analysis is a dynamic and evolving field. It provides powerful insight by revealing influence, structure, and communities. Its applications span business, health, cybersecurity, and more. As tools and algorithm improves, and we will integrate SNA with AI and big data, and the potential is only going to grow. But the great power comes responsibility, ethical consideration like privacy and responsibility. Uses of data are essential, so we explore deeper. We need to balance insight and accountability. Thank you. Hope you understand this video. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.